Hey YouTube channel, what's up? So today I'm finna do what my sister did. She inspired me to do this video. Thanks to her, she got me doing it. So I'm so happy to do this, and I'm doing this for you guys because I'm thankful for, I think it's 9 subscribers. I'm thankful for you guys. So to show you guys, I'm gonna start mixing all my slime.
I'm a good camera girl. Follow me, because I did the same thing as my sister. Follow me on Morana Space Rose, Morana Space Rose. Go check it out and follow, subscribe, and do all that good stuff. Hit that notification button.
So here we have this pink slide. I'm going to mix mine in here because I don't want it to be messed up. Y'all can see that's my first slide. My second slide is this one, which is so good. But it gotta go. Okay. Then my bruised one. So satisfied. But it had to go. And I'm so sad. It's like so good. Let me get all of it. Since y'all watching, I want y'all to get the full thing. It's just so good. Bye.
Look like a rainbow.
It kind of, ooh. This one. Ugh. And my favorite one, and I just ordered it. If y'all watch my package that I opened, I ordered the beads. Ugh. I had to go. Okay. This one, which is the same thing, but in like a different color. I'm so sad I gotta do this. And this is liquidy. That one was like kind of liquidy, so I didn't like that. More of the pink one. That is not a good slime, so I'm not gonna add that in there. Oh, it's some of my butter slime I made. This is really, really sad. I really don't want to do this, but I kind of have to.
Huh? Right here. But we're doing a YouTube video.
Alright, I'm gonna say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Okay, so let me mix some more in here. Okay, that's all we gonna mix to that butter slime. Guys, look at this. Like, this is crazy. It's oozing out too. What color do y'all think it's gonna make? Oh my god. This is so, satisfying to me.
Look like a brain.
It does. This is using the colors of your brain. This is so satisfying. But I'm not done. But this is what it is so far. And, whoa. I already can guess that it's gonna be a purplish color or a pinkish color. It's just, oh my god. This is just so incredible. Okay, it's done. It is not, it's a purplish color. If y'all liked it, subscribe down below. And you'll be seeing more videos like this if you hit that subscribe button. You do not want to miss the crazy things I do on my YouTube. So, bye YouTube.